show to begin.
I love you!
Birmingham, you've been extraordinary today, and I cannot thank you enough for your hospitality. I cannot thank you enough for your love and support. I didn't even think more than 5 people would show up here today. So you're gonna go down in history with me, and I'll put you in my heart, and I'll never let you go. Now, about 5 years ago, I came into this business doing mixtapes. And so, a lot of the people that only know me from the radio, they don't know the mixtapes, but I wanted to see if you guys had ever heard this.